Hydraulic shaftless mill roll stand. It's the unrolling unit of raw paper in the corrugated paperboard manufacturing line. Hydraulically operated, it's capable of clamping, releasing, elevating and lateral movement of the raw paper with a maximum diameter of 1,500 millimeters. The internally expanding fixture can reduce waste of the fluting medium. Pneumatic braking allows real-time adjustment of the braking force in line with the medium roll size to remain a suitable tension for production. The use of standard braking apparatus adopted in the auto industry reduces the cost of long-term use and provides easy access to accessories. Optional magnetic powder brake and pneumatic disc brake, commonly known as multi-point brake, are also available upon request.